welcome back to my channel. So as you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm going to be showing y'all how I colored this beautiful 12-inch 13 by 6 frontal unit. This is from Virgo Hair. This hair is like so super good, like not sponsored, but this hair is so good. So I'm gonna show you how I color this and whatnot. First, you want to spray the inside like of your lace and like your cap with the Got To Be spray. You can see it here, and this is just to make sure the dye doesn't go onto your lace. And right now I'm just running some hot water, and yeah, you want to let this dry. You should use a blow dryer, but my blow dryer is all the way in my room, so yeah, you want to let this dry, and then you could dip your hair in. So I'm using the Adore hair dye, and this was the number 112, I think. Like, it was too fast in my thing. I didn't even read them. But anyways, I'm just putting the dye into the water, and I'm gonna dip like some leftover hair that I had from like a previous wig, and this is just to see like what the color is and how I like it and all that other stuff. So yeah. So I put the dye in, and now I'm just testing it just to see if I like the color, if I don't like the color, how dark I want it, how light I want it. And this is honestly how I ended up doing the ombre, was because I tested it on one piece and then I tested it on another piece to show my mom, because she didn't believe I did it so fast. And I'm like, that would look mad cute if I did like a little ombre. So yeah, that's how this turned into an ombre. I was actually gonna do the whole thing, the royal blue color that you see, but yeah. So to do the ombre, it is a little tricky at first because you are trying to get two different tones here, but it's really like not that bad. Make sure the water is mixed thoroughly, because as you can see, I got like darker like strands in the front, but that's okay because it looks so much cuter that way. But yeah, if I was gonna initially do the ombre, I would have put less dye in at first, dipped the whole thing, and then added more as I go. But you can still do it this way and it's still gonna come out the same way. So yeah, I dipped it in from the top, and then I started again from the bottom, and I left it in there for a little bit longer. And you want to run your fingers through it, brush through it, comb through it, whatever you got to do to make sure each and every part is dyed to its fullest and it's completely dyed, because you don't want like a whole bunch of blonde patches. And doing the watercolor method is like it works very fast, so you gotta take your time, but not too much time. Like, you have to take your time, but you have to be careful, if you know what I mean. So yeah, right now I'm just brushing it just to make sure it's all like blue, and you see like there's little light parts. I'm just dipping it back in, and just do it to your liking. So right here, I drained all the water, and right now I'm just rinsing off the hair, and this is just to make sure all the dye that's not in the hair is out. And I conditioned it real quick just to make sure the hair was still soft and nice. So yeah, you're just gonna see that real quick, and then I'm gonna move on to the install. Gang, so I'm not even gonna cap. This is so about to be fire. This video is gonna be like some of me talking and some of me what's the case called, some of me doing a voiceover. So yeah, if you hear a little difference, that's why. But yeah. Alright, boom, I got my edge brush. You already know the drill. I'm gonna be looking at him, my mirror, whatever. But I'm gonna just show y'all, like, I'm just come to the camera show y'all what I'm doing. So boom, you see my edges or whatever. Start wearing wigs, your edges is gonna go back, period. Nah, but you want to just spray them. People say don't put this on your edges, but it don't do nothing to my edges. My edges is good, forever stitchy. Ooh, you feel me? And you should get a blow dryer to dry this, but I don't feel like doing all that right now. I don't got time for the bowl cap right now. I'm not even gonna hold you. So now that we sanction, you want to take you should be 90 or up % alcohol. I mean, any alcohol is gonna work. I'm not even gonna lie, any alcohol is gonna work. It's alcohol, does the same thing, but I feel like the stronger the better. So I'm just taking that on a cotton ball. Whew. I'm cleaning off my hairline. Now I'm about to use my Bold Hold Skin Protectant. Protect. And this does exactly what it sounds like. It protects your hair, protects your the glue from getting to your face or breaking you out. If you break out from glue, any type of glue, I suggest you get this. Hashtag not sponsored, but sponsor me. Thumbs up. My camera shifted a little bit, but you see, this is the wig. She's a dried. I plucked her. She's plucked. You can't even really tell, but anyways. I don't think I'm gonna put edges on, because I don't really like edges in general. No more blemish powder from Ruby Kisses. And it's just a little brush like that. If you got lace tint that lace. If you don't, makeup should be fine. Alright, so I'm basically done with that. You know, side part join. This was not supposed to be like this. It was supposed to be just this color, but I ended up doing the ombre. Alright, so it's all pushed back. So you want to make sure it's like even on both sides. So my side part's really not going to be there. It's going to be a little deeper, but I gotta just make sure it's the way I want it. You want to mark where you want to place it. So I'm going to take my Bold Hold Active, and I'm only doing 2 layers. You should use about 3 or 4, but I don't want this wig on for too long, and I know 1 layer is not really gonna hold it for as long as I want it to be on. So yeah, I'm gonna just do 2 layers. I wanna put like dots and then spread it out, but not too much, because if you put too much, you'll mess up. So I'm really just trying to like put my stocking cap as far back as I can. Alright, so time to lay her. I gotta do this in the mirror. I'm not risking it trying to do it on my phone to show y'all, so sorry, but sorry, not sorry. Oh, you see how my cap is getting wrinkled? If y'all following what I do, make sure y'all cap is as flat as possible. Especially working with good lace, because good lace is gonna show everything. When I tell you this part is like, whew, the way you lay it, girl. So when she's on your head, you wanna take your scarf. I don't cut my lace yet, Dub, I don't cut my lace yet. Dub, stop all that. I make sure she's laid. Like, I don't even play like that. Right, so I just did my eyebrows or whatever. That literally took 10 minutes, I kid you not. But yeah, it's time to take off the scarf. Okay. So now it's time to cut the lace, and I'm gonna walk out through it even though I'm looking at my mirror. I'll cut down the middle. Not all the way, just a little. And then I'm gonna use my razor comb, eyebrow razor, and then just, yeah, going, see how we're going. It's a little white, but we, of course, gonna fix that. So we're gonna go back to laying her down. Take my She Is Bomb wax stick, period. Like, I don't even want to say nothing. I really just be getting all up in there. Like, I need hustle. Like, I don't know why it looks. It's my ring light. My ring light makes my lace look light, but I swear, she's fine. Okay, I'm gonna flatten her out, charge my phone a little bit, and then we're gonna get back. Or I might curl her. I don't know. Y'all, when I tell you the sun was out just now, I had to like do the most just to curl my hair mad quick, curls undropped, and get a picture while the sun was out. But this is basically kind of like it. Like, I kind of lied because I still gotta like fix this up. But son, I feel like this video literally honestly failed only cause like I'm supposed to show y'all the end at the end, but I kind of messed up because when I tell you that sun was outside, like she was outside, and y'all gonna see like in the sunlight you cannot see my lace like at all, like you cannot see it. It's giving very much ashy on my ring light, and I don't like that, but I can't please each and every single light. I wish y'all could feel this hair because this hair is so good. And this is some good lace. Like, you could really, excuse my little cut, but you could like, you could see my cap. This color is so cute. What y'all think? I'm really, like, I look so cute. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I first put it on, I was like, damn, this is not gonna look cute on me. But shoot, for my first like super bright color besides red, ooh, my camera dying, but super bright color besides red, this is it. This got it. To be honest, enough of me rambling. Y'all see the hair, I curled it a little bit. This is their 12-inch hair. It looks pretty long on me. I have a really tiny head, so hair be looking a little extra longer on me. But I wish the sun was out so I could really show y'all how it looks. This is like, whew, there we go. This is how she really looks. Oh yeah. If you I feel like my neighbors is watching me, no cap. But if you like this video, make sure to like this video and comment, subscribe, share, and try some colors, cause girl, this color is so pretty. But I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, so later. I swear, visions of you.